All right, I've got an important question for you. Are you worried about Google's AI content crackdown? You should be. If you're creating content that Google labels as low quality, redundant, and essentially not good, it's going into Google's spam bucket. And what happens to spam? Google quickly is erasing it from its search engines. Now, the good thing is not all AI content is going away. In fact, if you're one of the few that can create quality, unique SEO content via AI, you should really benefit from this. This is an enormous content crackdown that's been devastating website owners since March of this year, and you can be on the other side. Just think, as all of the spammy content that's currently ranked gets the axe with the right tools and the correct approach that falls within Google's content terms, of course, you are going to be looking at a potential SEO gold mine just by creating content that Google loves. Now that's what we're going to teach you how to do live this Sunday, April 14th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, and again on Monday at 10 a.m. in the morning Eastern Daylight Time. Now create AI content that Google actually ranks, no matter your niche, no matter your industry, because that is what we're going to show you exactly how to do and how you can produce beautifully crafted, wonderful quality AI content with a few clicks, and avoid the SEO destruction that Google is unleashing this very second. The action takers here can win big. There's a massive opportunity here to bring your content to a level that's needed for the most used search engine in the world, and to help your local businesses and clients climb the SEO rankings and maintain their coveted top ranks, and to take over other niches by replacing the less desirable spam AI content. This is hot right this second, and we're showing you the way to capitalize. Get signed up to lock in your spot for both Sunday and Monday, and join us live at the time that best suits you. You even get a chance to win special prizes, bonuses, and more just for joining us. There's nothing to lose and everything to gain here, but you must get signed up to see it live, or to even be in consideration to receive a replay of this groundbreaking live training to escape Google's AI content crackdown. We will see you there.